Hi, I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT for extracting unlimited emails absolutely for free. You just need two inputs, a specific search query and a prompt for ChatGPT. As you can see here, there is a sample search query that you need to enter in Google search. So this search query means that we want to search for web designers that will have any of these email IDs. Go ahead and copy this query and enter it on Google search. And there you see, it gives all the result from Instagram that are web designer profiles and also have email IDs. Now, copy the prompt and give it to ChatGPT. And copy the whole page, paste it below the prompt. And now you'll see ChatGPT has given you a nice tabular output with name, email, contact number. You can now go to next page, copy all, and then come back to ChatGPT and paste it, and just type, same for the above. Now, simply copy the leads and paste in an Excel sheet or Google Sheets. If I need different target audience, I'll just change the target audience in the search query as freelancers and press enter. Then, just repeat the same steps and extract emails using ChatGPT. So, by this free method, with little dedication, you can extract unlimited emails. If you liked this method, then stay tuned for a paid method where you can do all this on automation. And not only generate leads, but also generate email templates and contact leads via email.
If you like this video, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.